In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an epic in Jira. Whether you're managing a small project or overseeing a large team, organizing your work efficiently is essential. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to create and manage epics, ensuring your workflow stays smooth and streamlined. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into Jira, launch your Chrome browser, and open the Jira website. Once there, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Logging in is the gateway to all the powerful tools Jira has to offer, so ensure you're logged in correctly to access your projects. Once you're in, it's time to navigate to your specific project. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Projects. Click on that, and from the drop-down list, select your project. This step is pivotal because it directs Jira to the workspace where you want to create your epic. By going to the right project, you ensure that all subsequent steps are accurately aligned with your intended goals. Now that you're in your project space, it's time to create an epic. Look towards the top navigation bar and locate the Create button. Clicking this opens up an array of options tailored to different needs within Jira. From the list, you'll see an option for issue type, a drop-down menu that allows you to select the specific type of issue you want Jira to generate. Here, ensure you choose Epic. By selecting Epic, you're gearing up to create a high-level container that will house and organize related issues such as stories, tasks, or bugs. With the Epic type selected, the next task at hand is to fill in the details. You'll be prompted to enter an Epic name. Think of this as a succinct identifier for your epic, something that captures its essence in just a few words. Next, enter a summary or description. This section gives you a bit more room to detail what the epic is about and why it's necessary. Be clear and descriptive here, as this is what team members will see and use as a reference point during the project's lifecycle. Once you've input all the necessary details, it's time to save your work. Click the Create button. Doing so will add your epic to your project's backlog or roadmap, depending on your project setup. Seeing your epic appear is a satisfying step, confirming that you have successfully created a new organizational hub within Jira. The final step involves linking stories or tasks to your newly created epic. Open the epic you just created, and you'll find an option to add a child issue. This feature allows you to connect related stories, tasks, or even report bugs that fall under the umbrella of your epic. Linking these issues helps maintain a clear and organized project structure, ensuring everything related to your epic is easily accessible and properly aligned. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating an epic in Jira. By following these steps, you've established a crucial framework within your project that will enhance clarity and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.